In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Cron job in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. This is the place where you bring your ideas online with a fully functional website. Once you have loaded the Hostinger homepage, take a moment to locate your account options. Look for the section labeled My Account and click on it so you can access your personalized management dashboard. After clicking on My Account, the next instruction is to head over to the Hostinger homepage. This page serves as the central hub for managing all your hosting services and website operations. When you arrive at the homepage, you will see an easily navigable interface that offers many possibilities for managing your online presence. Once in the home area, your attention should shift to the website section. Find and click on the websites option, which lists all your hosted domains and projects. With your website list now displayed, you will need to access more detailed information about a specific website. To do that, click on Website Lists. This action brings you closer to the specific settings you will be modifying. From the list, locate the dashboard that houses your website settings by clicking on Dashboard. The dashboard is your control center where you can handle various aspects of your website, including plugins, backups, and scheduled tasks. Now that you're inside your website's dashboard, search for the more advanced settings. Within the dashboard, locate and click on Advanced. This section is designed for users who need more granular control over their hosting configurations. Moving into advanced settings, you will find a subsection specifically dedicated to scheduled tasks. Here, click on Cron Jobs so that you can begin the process of scheduling your automated tasks. After navigating to the Cron Jobs page, you will need to change the default settings in order to customize the schedule to fit your needs. Look for the option that allows you to select customs. Choosing customs enables you to manually set the timing for when your cron job will run. With customs selected, you can now fill in all the necessary details regarding your scheduled task. In the next part of the process, you are prompted to type in a command to run. This command is the actual operation that the server will execute when the cron job is triggered. Be sure to enter your command carefully, ensuring that all syntax is correct so that the intended task performs as expected. Following the entry of your command, there are some common options available for further customization. These options typically involve setting the frequency of the cron job operation. You will need to specify the timing for minutes, hour, day, month, and weekday. For each of these options, decide on the appropriate values that match your scheduling requirements. Once you have completed setting the minutes, hour, day, month, and weekday inputs, the next and final step is to click Save. This final action will confirm and store your new cron job configuration, ensuring that your automated task will now run according to the schedule you specified. This completes the process of setting up a cron job in Hostinger. By carefully following each of these steps, you have successfully scheduled an automated task that can help you manage periodic operations on your website. Enjoy the enhanced control over your hosting environment and the efficiency that comes with automation.